Did you know businesses are paying top dollar for AI consulting services? A random guy started a consulting business in his bedroom with just $300, and now he's making over $10 million a year. With DeepSeek, you can tap into this lucrative market and turn your expertise into a thriving consulting business empire, making millions per year. Whether you're a data whiz, a tech enthusiast, or a problem solver, this video will show you how to make money by offering DeepSeek-powered consulting services. In this video, we'll explore the top 11 ways to make money with a DeepSeek AI consulting business. For each consulting idea, I'll provide a business example to help you get a better understanding of how to get started. Stick around until the end, and you'll surely find an idea that matches your goals. Now, buckle up, and let's get started. 1. Data analysis consulting. Data analysis consulting is one of the most in-demand services today. Businesses are drowning in data, but lack the tools to make sense of it. With DeepSeek, you can help them uncover trends, patterns, and actionable insights. For example, a retail client might need help forecasting sales or segmenting customers for targeted marketing. You can monetize this by offering project-based services, charging a fixed fee for one-time analysis, or a monthly retainer for ongoing support. Here is, how could this play out in the real world? Imagine working with an e-commerce store struggling with inventory management. Using DeepSeek, you analyze their sales data, predict demand, and recommend optimal stock levels. This not only saves them money but also boosts their revenue. You could charge $5,000 for the projector, $5,000 for the projector, $1,000 per month for continuous monitoring. The key is to showcase your value through case studies and free audits to attract clients. Second, AI integration consulting. Many businesses want to use AI but don't know how to integrate it into their workflows. That's where you come in. As an AI integration consultant, you'll help companies seamlessly incorporate DeepSeek into their systems. For instance, a logistics company might need help automating their inventory tracking. You could use DeepSeek's APIs to connect their ERP system and set up real-time updates. Here's how you can make it work in practice. A small marketing agency wants to automate their ad campaign analysis. You integrate DeepSeek with their CRM and marketing platforms, saving them hours of manual work. Charge an hourly rate of $150 or offer a package deal starting at $3,000. Demonstrations and testimonials are great ways to market this service and build trust with potential clients. Before we move on, let me ask you, so far, which of these consulting services excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. 3. Industry-specific solutions. Every industry has unique challenges, and DeepSeek can help solve them. For example, in healthcare, you could develop predictive models to improve patient outcomes or optimize hospital resources. A business example? A hospital hires you to predict patient readmissions, saving them thousands of dollars. Charge custom pricing based on the complexity of the solution, or license your models to multiple clients for recurring revenue. Picture this business scenario. In retail, you could help businesses forecast demand or personalize marketing campaigns. Imagine working with a fashion brand to predict the next big trend. You could charge $10,000 for the solution, or tie your fees to the revenue increase they achieve. Attend industry events and publish thought leadership articles to position yourself as an expert in your niche. 4. Predictive analytics consulting. Predictive analytics is a game changer for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve. With DeepSeek, you can help clients forecast sales, predict customer churn, or assess risks. For example, a financial institution might need help predicting loan defaults. You build a predictive model using DeepSeek, validate it with historical data, and provide actionable insights. Here's a real opportunity you can tap into. A subscription-based company hires you to predict which customers are likely to cancel. You charge $7,500 for the model development and offer a subscription service for ongoing updates. This creates a steady income stream while delivering real value to your clients. Market this service through case studies and free pilot projects to attract interest. If you're ready to start your consulting business, now is the time to take action. Pick one of these services. identify your target market, and start offering your expertise. And if you're serious about making money with AI, stick around until the end of the video for a bonus tip. 5. Customer Insights Consulting. Understanding customers is key to business success, and DeepSeek can help you deliver powerful insights. For example, a restaurant chain might want to know why certain locations are underperforming. You analyze their customer data, segment their audience, and recommend targeted marketing strategies. Charge $2,000 for a detailed report or $500 per month for ongoing analytics. A practical business application. An online retailer hires you to identify high-value customers and create retention strategies. Using DeepSeek, you provide actionable insights that boost their revenue by 15%. Offer free customer insights audits to attract clients and build your portfolio. This service is highly scalable and can be tailored to any industry. 6. Operational efficiency consulting businesses are always looking for ways to cut costs and improve efficiency. With DeepSeek, you can help them identify bottlenecks and automate repetitive tasks. For example, a manufacturing company might need help optimizing their production line. You analyze their operational data, recommend improvements, and set up automated workflows. Let's look at a potential use case. A logistics company hires you to optimize their delivery routes. Using DeepSeek, you reduce their fuel costs by 20%. Charge $5,000 for the optimization plan and offer ongoing monitoring for $1,000 per month. This service is perfect for businesses looking to streamline their operations and save money. 7. Operational Efficiency Consulting. Operational efficiency consulting is all about helping businesses do more with less. Using DeepSeek, you can analyze operational data like production rates, logistics, and supply chain performance to identify inefficiencies. For example, a manufacturing company might struggle with machine downtime. You could use DeepSeek to predict maintenance needs and reduce unplanned stoppages. Charge $5,000 for an operational audit and $1,000 per month for ongoing monitoring. Here is a simple way to apply this strategy. A warehouse operator hires you to optimize their inventory storage. Using DeepSeek, you analyze their workflow and recommend a new layout that reduces picking time by 30%. This saves them thousands of dollars annually. Offer free efficiency assessments to attract clients and showcase your expertise. Operational efficiency consulting is a win-win for you and your clients. 8. Marketing Analytics Consulting. Marketing analytics consulting helps businesses get the most out of their campaigns. With DeepSeek, you can analyze ROI, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs to identify the best performing strategies. For example, a digital marketing agency might need help optimizing their ad spend. You use DeepSeek to analyze their campaigns and recommend adjustments that double their ROI. Charge $3,000 for a detailed report or $750 per month for ongoing analytics. Imagine working with a client like this. A small e-commerce store hires you to improve their social media ads. Using DeepSeek, you identify the best performing platforms and create a targeted strategy that increases sales by 25%. Offer free campaign audits to attract clients and build your reputation. Marketing analytics consulting is a high-demand service with huge earning potential. 9. Risk Management Consulting. Risk management consulting is crucial for businesses looking to protect their assets. With DeepSeek, you can analyze financial, operational, and cybersecurity data to identify potential risks. For example, a fintech company might need help detecting fraudulent transactions. You build a risk assessment model using DeepSeek and provide real-time alerts. Charge $10,000 for a comprehensive risk assessment and $2,000 per month for ongoing monitoring. An example of this in action: a logistics company hires you to assess their supply chain risks. Using DeepSeek, you identify vulnerabilities and recommend strategies to mitigate them. This saves them from potential losses and builds trust with their clients. Offer free risk assessments to attract businesses and demonstrate your value. Risk management consulting is a high-stakes, high-reward service. 10. AI Ethics and Compliance Consulting. AI ethics and compliance consulting is becoming essential as regulations tighten. With DeepSeek, You can audit AI systems for bias, fairness, and transparency. For example, a healthcare provider might need help ensuring their AI tools comply with GDPR. You conduct an audit, develop ethical guidelines, and train their team. Charge $7,500 for an ethics audit and $1,500 per month for ongoing compliance support. Consider this real-world scenario. A financial institution hires you to ensure their AI-driven credit scoring system is fair and unbiased. Using DeepSeek, you identify and fix issues, helping them avoid legal penalties. Offer free compliance checklists to attract clients and position yourself as a trusted advisor. AI ethics consulting is a growing field with immense potential. 11th, AI training and upskilling consulting. AI training and upskilling consulting helps businesses prepare their teams for the future. With DeepSeek, you can create customized training programs for different roles. For example, a retail chain might need help training their managers to use AI for inventory forecasting. You develop a program, conduct workshops, and provide resources. Charge $5,000 for a training program or $1,000 per month for ongoing support. Here's how it may work in practice. A tech startup hires you to train their data analysts on DeepSeek. Using hands-on sessions, you help them build predictive models that improve decision-making. Offer free introductory workshops to attract clients and showcase your expertise. AI training consulting is a great way to help businesses while earning steady income. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money with DeepSeek. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out the link in the description to learn more about DeepSeek and how you can get started today. Let's turn these ideas into income.